Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The best of you is the one who learns the Quran and teaches it." Faz Online Quran Academy. Let's learn Quran online with one of the best online Quran Academy. We are providing online Quran teaching service to kids and adults, male and female, across the globe. Our Quran learning courses are especially designed for you and your kids, under the guidance of qualified male and female teachers. We will provide you step-by-step Quran learning with the rules of Tajweed and essential Islamic knowledge. Are you looking for an online Quran tutor for yourself or for your children? Let's learn Quran with Faz Online Quran Academy in one-to-one Quran class at the comfort of your home. We teach Holy Quran online through Zoom, WhatsApp and other means. Our courses: Basic Qaida with Basic Tajweed Rules for Beginners, Quran Recitation Course with Tajweed, Quran Memorization Course with Tajweed, Rules of Tajweed and Tarteel Course, Maqamat Complete Course, Islamic Studies for Kids Course, Daily Duas and Complete Method of Prayer Course, Ahadith and Basic Islamic Education, Quran Translation, or unique approach to teaching the Holy Quran. 7 days free trial classes, 30 minutes individual class with each child, skilled and qualified male and female teachers, no age limitation, 5 days class in a week, English, Urdu, Pashto speaking teachers. For more information, contact us on these numbers. Qari Tahsil Yusufzai, phone number +92 3400 567609 +92 300 233 7878. Faz Online Quran Academy @gmail.com.